You can upload your data using CSV or XML files. There are additional options for FTP upload, URL upload, and file from server. Now I am uploading the CSV file from desktop. And click on the Update Content option, then select your preferred post type. And click on Continue. Here we have an existing template for the mapping area, but I'm going to map it from scratch by clicking Create New Mapping. Auto mapping occurs when the field name and CSV column header match. In the Import Configuration area, allow Do you want to handle duplicate records on existing records, and select Post_title, because the post title in my CSV is the same as the post title in the WordPress instance. Then click the Update button. Click on View Post to see the change. And also you can see the updated status from the log.